y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you are new. Hey girl, hey, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today we are going to be doing this Vpart wig install with absolutely no leave out. Okay, I tried the crochet method for the first time and it's hitting. Okay, so let's get into it.
Hey y'all, so this wig was sent over to me from LuxeHair. This is what their packaging looks like. Inside they had a pink silk robe with their logo on it. I thought that was really cute. And they also had in there a matching pink bonnet. Super cute. And they just had a bunch of goodies, okay? But you here for the wig, so let's get into that. So this is their Vpart Kinky Curly or Jerry Curly 20-inch wig, okay? This is what the texture looks like before I co-wash. I always like to show you what it looks like before I co-wash. This is the Vpart area, and then it just has the combs on the side. It has a comb in the back, and it has a detachable adjustable strap. And this adjustable strap, if you could see, like, it literally goes, you could adjust it from one end to the other, so that's pretty cool. And as you know, like, the Vpart part just has like the combs all around the edges. And this is just one more look at the construction, and then I'm also going to give you one last look at the curl pattern before it is co-washed and air dried. Like I said, I always just like to show you because some people, I don't know why, but some people don't co-wash their wigs when they get them. So if you're one of those people, this is what your wig will look like when you open it. Now I'm going to co-wash and let it air dry.
Hey y'all, so this is what the wig looks like after it has been co-washed and air dried. I really love to wash the Kinky Curly, Afro Kinky Curly, any kind of like curly texture, because you could really change the curl pattern. As you saw, like when I first showed you, it didn't look like this, but this just looks more natural and more realistic. And yeah, I defined it just only with a dimming brush. I don't really put product in my curly wig, so this is what it's looking like. They have a like detachable elastic band, so like they have something sewn in here where like you can attach the elastic band, and it's also adjustable. So I think that's really cool. I've never seen that on a wig before, so I think that's cute. But I really like that they have that in here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna attempt to try the crochet method. I've never tried this before. In theory, I feel like it should work out perfectly fine, right? But doing anything for the first time is gonna be a little bit of a struggle, okay? But I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna see how it works out. Obviously, you could wear this wig in just like the regular Vpart way, where you clip it and you have absolutely no leave out, and you just clip it on the first two braids. But I'm gonna clip it on the second braid on each side and then try the crochet method because I want to see. Let's get to work, baby.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if
dance, you're nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rockin' at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. And a blow breeze for the head of my penis.
Okay, so this is the final look. You can see like under the light because it is so gloomy and cloudy and rainy today, and it's the fall, so like the sun go down at 3 o'clock, but it's super dark outside. So we have a ring light here, and you can see under the light, like it looks really good. I'm shook. So let me just tell you what I think about the wig, and then we'll get into like the whole crochet method situation. So this hair quality is really nice, okay? This hair is soft, it's beautiful. I like the curl pattern. I love the construction of this wig. They got really creative with like the installation of the adjustable strap, because it is detachable for one, but then it's also adjustable, but it's not like the adjustable where like it has just only the 3 hooks. It's adjustable all the way across, so you could literally like make it as tight as you want or as loose as you want. So that's really cool. Now when it comes to this crochet method, it looks bomb, okay? It looks really good, and it looks more natural than like how you would, I guess, typically wear a Vpart wig with no leave out, like where you just put the Vpart and clip it down, and then you kind of tease at the root to make it look, you know, like it's not a Vpart wig. That, you know, works, but this looks even more natural, this crochet method. Like it really looks like this is your hair. Like nobody cannot tell you anything. This is your hair, right? It looks bomb. However, for me, somebody who I like to take my wigs off at night, okay? I'm not sleeping in no wig. I'm not sleeping in I don't like to, okay? So I want to take my wig off at night and then reapply it the next day. But wearing it like this, you would have to really set aside time to like do this crochet method every single day if you like me and you want to take your wigs off at night. If you're not like me and you sleep in your wigs, then it's fine. But for me, like I like to take my wigs off. So like I would have to really like set aside time every day. And my already hectic, super busy, super jam-packed day, I would have to like set aside extra time to crochet the hair to get this same look. To go with that though, it's not that long of a process to like crochet the hair in. However, I don't have any time to spare. I just don't. I don't have any time to spare. But if you have time to do that, then this is a bomb method. For me, I don't really have the time to do this on an everyday basis. So I would have to really figure out how I could work this into my life. This would probably be like a pop-out wig for me, because I cannot do that on an everyday basis. And the Vpart, since now I know that I can make the wig look like this, I don't want to go back to wearing a Vpart in a regular Vpart way. I only want to wear it like this now, because this look like this my hair. Anyway, I think the crochet method looks super bomb, but you just have to make sure you have enough time to do it every day if you like to take your wigs off at night like me. But it's like, for real, I honestly don't want to hear nothing nobody got to say, because this looks like my hair. Like, what are you talking about? And I'm mad at you because you never told me to try this out. Nah, some of y'all did say try the crochet method, but like, this is bomb. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. It's not really much else for me to say about this wig. If you are interested, I will leave all of the links down in the description box, as I always do. Okay, so don't forget to check the description box if you are interested. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It helps the content a ton. Please do not underestimate liking the content. It really helps. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. And once again, thanks and shouts out to LuxeHair for collaborating with me on today's video. I will catch you in the next one. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.